Good evening, everybody. Fan Man Steve here once again. Hope everybody is having a good start to a new week. It is Monday, December the 5th, and I just want to let you all know that I have been sick through the last 3 or 4 days. I'm just now, uh, I'm just now completely over it. I've been through a lot this past week, and also not to mention my phone has been in and out of service. I've been having issues with internet connection, and we are working hard to get that straightened out right now. So I am sorry if I haven't been able to upload any material here lately, but I'm just right around to getting the ball rolling again. But this is a scented wax melter, and this I just now had turned this off because I'm getting around to clean this. Uh, this has had the same wax in it for quite a while now. Actually, since right when I moved in. So I'm gonna get around to cleaning that, and I'll make a little demonstration of it. But I'm pretty sure that uh, a lot more people are uh, are going out and buying these. More of the population has at least one or two of these in their homes. They're getting to be very popular, and I happen to like these myself. Uh, they're very practical, very stylish, as you can see. Really neat looking. Basically, all it is just it's a little lamp, and it heats up a scented wax that is placed here on the top. And they put out a good scent throughout the house. And they're so simple yet so cool. And I think we have at least about 3 or 4 of these. And if you all remember the Christmas unwrapping gift that I did about a week or two ago, you saw me getting some wax melters out of the package that a family member had sent me. And these are the wax melters here, and I have another pack around here somewhere, but these are what we've been using. And this is what my sister has been using in hers. Better Homes and Gardens, vanilla and caramel spice. Vanilla, cinnamon, clove, nutmeg, caramel, brown sugar, and toffee scent notes. Scented wax cubes. They're very well scented, and I guess they're just for about anybody who can handle these without getting a migraine. But anyway, this is the wax melter, and I don't think this is the one that I brought from my old house. Actually, I think I still have that in storage right now. And this is a really cool one here. I like the design of it, the color, and this is the top of it. And as you can see, the wax is kind of melted from where I've had it on. And there's the inside of it there. I don't know what bulb that is down in there, but we'll do that another time. And this is the power cord that goes to it, and I do believe this is a Leviton switch, just a little rotary switch here, and I think it's plugged in through here. Sorry about that, folks. Anyway, here's the plug to it. And it looks to be polarized, but no fuse. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is that I'm gonna clean this out, and some others would do it with cotton balls, and that's probably the best thing to use. But since I don't think that I have any cotton balls around the house, so I'm just gonna use a paper towel instead. I'm gonna try to get this done right before it cools off and hardens up again. And I'm just going to use this butter knife to scrape up any of the remaining excess hardened wax, and then I'm gonna put one of these in. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna get this cleaned up here, and then I guess I'll go ahead and I'll get this changed. Okay, so now I have the top here cleaned off. I just let it warm up for a little bit and removed as much as the excess wax as much as possible. Scraped some of it down and broke it up with a butter knife, and then took a paper towel, and I guess the best way to do it is to run it through some hot water and wipe it down like that. So I was originally going to use the caramel pumpkin spice scented, but I'm just going to use this instead. This is the newest pack. Actually, I think we got this just tonight. And this is, I think this is like a, I don't think it's it's a spice or anything like that, but I think it's the same thing. Doesn't say what scent it is. Anyhow, I'm gonna go ahead and get this open, and we'll put this into the wax melter here, and we'll turn it on, and I guess that'll wrap it up for this video. Okay, here it is. It's a really fresh scent, and I can just smell it just from right here. You can just open it up, and as you break off a piece of the cube, it just puts out such a sweet smell. It's not like a spice smell, but I think this is more or less more like a, it's kind of like a soapy kind of smell. Let's go ahead and turn this thing on now. Okay. Let's put it like this. Alright. So I guess just give that time to warm up for that cube to break down, and it's gonna be smelling up the room. Well, there you have it, everybody. There is a quick little video and demonstration of my Max wax melter. I hope that you all have enjoyed the video. If whenever we can get the internet problem straightened out, I'm going to try to be getting more videos uploaded as soon as possible. So I'll even put an update on when I can get on with my streaming again. But other than that, hope that you have enjoyed tonight's video and more videos to come. And have a good one, and Merry Christmas. Bye-bye.